I'm standing in the parking of a restaurant in Mysuru which was popular with celebrities. Which restaurant am I talking about and why it's important to talk about this restaurant now? That's the story that I'm going to narrate to you. Today, I'm here at the Roost, which is a restaurant on Hunsur Road. Why do I say it was? Because this restaurant actually shut its door on 29th May 2026. The story of this restaurant is really interesting because it was popular even with people like Jackie Shroff and Mithun Chakrabarti who had come to Mysore for a shoot, and they loved the food, but they also found a common passion with the owner of the restaurant, that's K. Dilip Bidappa. He's the one who started the restaurant back in 1996 because he used to love going out and he felt that there needs to be a place, a garden restaurant in Mysuru which is inclusive for everyone, in the sense that even if you are from middle class background, you should be able to come out with your family and have a good time. And that is why even when Roost shut down, its prices were fairly nominal, reasonable for a family to have a good time. It's dishes like chili pork, pepper pork, even the pork pandi curry, which Reni Dilip's wife actually mastered and then taught to the kitchen staff, became very popular on the menu along with other Kodava dishes. So because of the Kodava connection and the pork pork dishes that they used to offer, it became very popular with the community. So all the important events of a Kodava family, right from the birthday to wedding and even the Mada ceremony, which is the 11-day mourning period, most of them used to celebrate, or most of them used to be held here at the Roost. Place also faced challenges. So in 2017, when there was a liquor ban for restaurants which are on highways, that affected them. So for one full year, they could not serve alcohol. And eventually, when the ban was taken away, if the restaurant is in city limits, is how they started serving alcohol again. I was told that this place was loved by people because of its vast space, nice gardens and all of that, and also the food that they used to offer, but the staff's hospitality and Dilip and Reni's relationship with the guests also mattered a lot. And later on, their children, that's Dhiren and his sister Rochelle, also became an integral part of the business. Now, everybody's been asking this family, where is the next Roost going to come up? And that's something that they are figuring out. But if you have any interesting memory related to the Roost, please share with me in the comments. I believe that as much as, heritage buildings and old history is important, even contemporary history, places which are a part of our collective memory also need to be celebrated. So the Roost on Hunsur Road may not be here anymore, but it's a place that we should all learn to celebrate in one form or another. And for more such reels on history, mystery and stories from Mysuru, follow Eccentric Sachin.